Open ground in the city. Kids were playing cricket under the blue sky. Ion, an 8-year-old boy with a bright smile and curious eyes. Suddenly, a missile flew over their heads and exploded into a large tree nearby. The children screamed and ran toward the blast. The tree had caught fire. Feathers floated in the air. On one of the branches lay the still bodies of 2 parrots, parents of a newborn baby bird. On the ground, a small green baby parrot lay weak, trembling. Ion picked him up gently. The baby parrot had no strength to move. His parents were gone. Ion whispered, "Don't worry, little one. I'll take care of you." Ion's home. Evening, Ion placed the baby parrot in a warm basket with soft cotton. He gave him some crushed fruit and water. Days passed. The parrot grew stronger. The parrot chirped, hopped, and finally flew short distances around the room. The parrot, Ion, became best friends. Ion named him Mitu. One stormy night, thunder cracked the sky. Lightning flashed across the window. Rain poured heavily. Mitu fluttered wildly in fear. He remembered another storm. The day his parents held him close under their wings, while the storm outside destroyed their home. Now he was alone in a cage. Ion's room. Next morning, Ion came in, smiling with food and water. But Mitu didn't eat. He didn't chirp. He didn't even look at Ion. Ion. Mitu? What happened? Are you sick? Worried, he ran to his father and told him everything. Ion talks to his father. His father listened calmly. Then he spoke gently. Ion, birds are born to fly, not live in cages, no matter how kind we are. War destroyed his family, and now we humans are cutting trees, polluting the skies, and locking birds behind bars. Imagine if someone locked you in a beautiful room forever. Would you be happy, even if you got food and toys? Ion looked down, ashamed. His father smiled. Set him free. That's what Mitu needs. Same day, Ion ran to Mitu's cage, breathless. He opened the door of the Mitu's cage slowly. Ion. Mitu, I'm so sorry. I just wanted you to be safe. But now I understand. You belong to the sky, not a cage. Please forgive me. Fly wherever you want, just stay happy. Mitu looked at Ion with wet eyes. For a moment, he paused. Then he spread his wings and flew higher and higher into the blue sky. Ion watched the Mitu with a smile and a tear. Ion looking at the sky. As the sun shone through the clouds, Ion whispered, "May you always fly free, Mitu. And may we humans learn to protect our sky. Freedom is the right of every living being. Wars hurt more than people, they destroy nature, too. Love means letting go when it's the right thing to do."